Hello everyone. I am standing with a mixed feeling for a bidding farewell to JNV Chikmagalur. I always loved my students, my team, all the PTC members, parents, and general public of Chikmagalur. And ever since I joined here, I gave my heart and soul for the overall development of this institution. I am very happy that initial encouragement, inspiration I received from great, wonderful people like BC Geeta Madam, KT Venkatesh Sir, Aradhya Sir, Kushalappa Sir, then alumni members like Mr. Sampath, Mr. Anand, Hamsavi, and several others. I am very fortunate throughout my stay here. My team was very wonderful, and according to my desire, my expectation, they joined me, and we did a good teamwork. And when I joined here, initial disappointment turned to wonderful, great hope because there was a tremendous support from everyone. And our first priority was total renovation of the school. And after repeated correspondence, then request and persuasion, then the letters one after another, in 2018 we got 2.6 crore rupees for total renovation of a school building, staff quarters, dining hall, and also we have very wonderful modern street lighting system and ground surrounded by floodlights. It's a very modern and attractive campus now. Also, I am very happy according to our pure intention when collectively we all work together. There was support coming from elsewhere and from everywhere. We got a big fund, some 54 lakh rupees for making a state-of-the-art computer lab under MP Labs. We are very much thankful to Honorable MP Sri Jairam Ramesh ji, and for monitoring that, Prabha Chandrakant Madam and BM Sandeep, they were all my strength. They coordinated and a lot of listening done, and now we have one excellent state-of-the-art computer lab, and that's a very wonderful achievement for all of us. Then again, we got excellent, the best adult tinkering lab in the country we have, and our alumni members, they helped us. I remember the support from Mr. Sampath, Mr. Manjunath, and several others, and as a result, that our dream finally released, and we have one of the excellent adult tinkering lab in the country. Then total renovation of the building, and we made our campus very attractive. Now you can see that a new concept, culture park, that is to transform the thinking and to make a big change in the attitude and culture of students. When you walk this area, you will experience a big positive energy and a great academic ambience, because all Jnanapida awardees from Karnataka, they are there, and when you glance through their achievements and when you see this image, that will transform your thinking, and our school, that will again march from strength to strength. We have also planned for further expanding our culture park. We will add some more great figures of Karnataka like Nadaprabhu Kempegowda, Rani Chennamma, Field Marshal Kariyappa, and Dr. Vishwesharaya. And their image, that will make a big impact in the thinking pattern of the students and transform the culture of our institution. So this is our sincere hope. We will continue all our endeavors for making JNV Chikmagalur one of the topmost or the best institution for children coming from average families and especially from rural background. It was a proud moment for all of us when our students broke all the previous record in All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination 2019, and our school average reached 90.58. That is the highest ever recorded mark and school average in CBSE class 12th examination. So it's a great joyous moment for all of us. Once again, from the core of my heart, I wish you the very best. I am saying goodbye. God bless you.